we're able to be a one-stop shop so that if they call us for anything from cleaning camera work to tank work to repair work, we can come in and do it all. They don't need to be calling multiple vendors to do all the work that is involved.
With their team, understanding the challenges, making sure they're equipped, working with the customer on what their future needs are, current needs are, and then getting the job done.
When you have an emergency, that's an emergency for us.
So we actually had a customer that we had provided services to where we mobilized not only from our South Florida operations, but from West Florida and as far away as Atlanta to help them during one of the hurricanes. And they were very grateful when it came to understanding that we were willing to mobilize the amount of resources 24 hours a day, 7 days a week until we were able to help them solve their problem in the aftermath of a hurricane.
What makes us special is we invest in our people. It starts with hiring the right people, the right attitudes, training them, giving them the tools to execute, having them be accountable. That's what makes a difference in this kind of business.
They feel heard, they feel valued, they feel like we're giving them their tools.
Well, that's got to be our people that want to do a good job. We have our supervisors down to our guys in the ditch. They are trying to do a good job for that customer, and that's what we try to instill in all of our employees.
Very talented people, extremely experienced, but at the same time, whether it's an assessment or whether it's a repair or whether it's a rehabilitation, we have the ability to help our clients solve the problem from A to Z.
With our line of work, it's nice to be the hero. People call us, they've got a problem and we're the solution. And you'd rather be the hero than the zero on this type of work, because most time it's going to work out great for both of us.
Whether you're a step ahead or you're walking side by side, or even if you're a step behind, sometimes you're still leading from a step behind because it's all about the way that you support and you help and you push the people around you.
We want you to come on as a customer. We want you to call us, and we will be there to help you as our team will be the greatest team that you've ever worked with.
Clients also come to us for their overall public works infrastructure, whether it's tank cleaning, whether it's smoke testing, whether it's cleaning and TVing for investigation purposes and assessment, to pipe bursting or slip lining. The amount of services that EWSG provides and the geographic coverage that EWSG has is probably second to none.
So I get excited about what we've done today, but I also get really excited about what's next. So we're constantly looking for what other opportunities are out there that we can provide. That you've listened to says resonates, give us a call.
We'll use our experience to help you solve your problem quickly, efficiently, effectively, and who knows, you may become a long-term client of ours.